This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, August 27th. Carnival Conquest diverted from its course Wednesday afternoon to rescue a sailor in distress in the Caribbean. A passenger on board tells Cruise News Today the ship received a distress call while sailing towards Grenada and located a blue sailboat with one person on board. Now, the sailor was brought safely on board Carnival Conquest while the sailboat was left afloat. Tracking data shows that the ship began its diversion around 12:30 Wednesday afternoon, roughly 200 miles southeast of St. Croix. This video here sent in by cruise passenger Noreen. The ship reached the rescue area around 3 p.m. before getting back underway. It's unclear what caused the sailboat to issue the distress call. Carnival Conquest is currently sailing a Caribbean cruise from Port Miami. And an MSC Cruises crew member has been arrested in Miami after allegations involving a 17-year-old passenger aboard MSC World America. Police say that 38-year-old lifeguard Rafael Blanco exchanged contact information with the passenger and later had inappropriate contact on 2 separate occasions in his crew cabin. Authorities say he admitted to the conduct and was arrested when the ship returned to Port Miami. He was charged with unlawful sexual activity with a minor and remains in custody on an immigration hold. MSC Cruises says it immediately contacted law enforcement and dismissed the crew member. And Carnival Cruise Line is taking its reservation system offline again this weekend for scheduled maintenance. The system will go down Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern and expect to remain offline for 18 hours. That's until noon on Sunday. During that time, guests and travel advisors won't be able to make new bookings, manage existing reservations, make payments, or complete online check-in. This marks Carnival's 3rd reservation system outage this year. And cruise stocks were down Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 25.59. Royal Caribbean down 1, 290.00. Norwegian down 1, 17.09. And Viking down 1.9, 90.52. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. And this week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Norwegian Jewel from Philly, where you listen to your favorite podcast. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.